Friends, welcome to my channel. I am Mayank Mishra. In previous video, we have studied about the structure of earth crust. Now, in this video, we will study about the mantle. So, the mantle is also in the layers of the earth, which is second layer of the earth, mantle. Firstly, crust, mantle, and core. So, the mantle is the second layer of the earth. We will take a inner part of the earth. We will take this part in here in big size. So we have studied about the crust. We have completed the crust. Now this term mean mantle. Now it's time to learn study about mantle. The mantle is made up of sima. Sima means silica plus magnesium. The amount of silica and magnesium is very high in mantle. The thickness of mantle is 2,900 kilometers. 2,900 kilometers, which is the thickest part of the earth. The mantle takes 80% of earth's volume. The mantle takes 80% of earth's volume. And next is core. We will study in our next video. The core is made up of Nephe. Nephe means nickel plus ferrous. The ferrous means iron. The Latin name of iron is ferrous. So the mantle, we will take mantle, the large size of mantle here. So the large size of mantle is shown here. The mantle is made up of, is a thickness of 2,900 kilometers. Mantle is also divided into two parts, upper mantle and lower mantle. So the mantle is made up of rich solid rocks. On the upper side of mantle, on the upper part of mantle, there is, due to overheat in mantle, the rocks that are in mantle are molten, and they form lava at the upper part of mantle, and they started flowing at upper part of mantle. The lava that were molten by rocks they started flowing at the upper part of the mantle. So this is mantle, and there ahead there is crust. There crust and its bottom mantle. So there is this part. At this part the lava flows. At this part the lava flows. So in the both of these places, the crust and mantle, the lower crust and the upper mantle started friction. Suppose this part is upper mantle, and this is lava. This part is lava, and there is upper, and there is lower crust. So there is lava, and when they started meeting each other, they started friction. They started friction to each other. So the making of friction at both sides make them overheat, so that the stones and rocks are reduced into lava, so that the lava is stored in is getting flowed in this place. At this place, the part of upper mantle, due to the lava at the upper mantle, the crust flows on it and make friction. The crust flows on it and make frictions. So the mantle are in two parts, upper mantle and lower mantle. The lower mantle touches the core, and the upper mantle touches the crust. So the upper part of upper mantle contains the lava that make friction with the crust. So now we have taken some important points on the mantle. So let's read it. Mantle is also called mesosphere. What do we call? Mantle is also called mesosphere. Mesosphere, the upper layer of mantle is also called atmosphere. The upper lower of mantle is also called atmosphere. What is the meaning of atmosphere? The atmosphere is a Greek word. Which means the Greek word ethnos. The Greek word ethnos means to flow. The Greek word ethnos means to flow, because the upper layer of earth called atmosphere, because there is lava, so it's flow. It flows. So in Greek word ethnos means to flow. The lava is flowing. This layer is also called ethnosphere. This layer is also called ethnosphere. And the Greek word ethnos means to flow. The ethnosphere, the word is comes from Greek word. And ethnosphere, due to overheat, the rocks are partly molten. As I tell you, due to overheat in ethnosphere, the rocks in this mantle getting molten in a slippery liquid like the juice of aloe vera. Like the juice of aloe vera is very slippery, as you know. Like that, the many amount of lava is flowing on this part. So this is also called ethnosphere. And due to intense heat, the rocks are partly molten. The rocks are partly molten. Uh, Molten means like liquid. There is a friction between lower crust and upper crust. As I tell you that there is friction between lower crust and upper crust due to the lava present in the upper crust, and this is called also atmosphere. So I hope you have understand this topic mental. Now in our next video we will study about the core. Till then, thank you. Save tree, save earth.